inspiring legends, jaguars are the true kings of the jungle. Expertly camouflaged and skilled hunters, jaguars play an important role in their ecosystem by acting as a mechanism for population control, making sure no prey population grows too large and consumes too much of one thing. But these rulers of the rainforest are not exempt from the harm of human activities. As deforestation continues to destroy our forests at devastating rates, jaguar habitats continue to grow smaller and smaller every year, and these big cats continue to be forced closer and closer to human settlements, where they can come into conflict with humans through the possible predation of livestock or domestic animals, and in the end, these cats are usually hunted down and killed as a result. These human-jaguar conflicts are preventable and solvable. What if, instead, we invested in the communities living inside the rainforest, built relationships with these people, and worked together to create solutions to these conflicts, or prevent them from even happening?
So we are in Atlanta, Georgia right now. I'm about to board the flight to Peru. It's about a 6.5 hour flight. And then from there, I'll be meeting up with a couple of my friends, a wildlife veterinarian and another researcher. And then from there, I'll be headed to my hotel, spend a couple days in Lima here. And then from there, take the flight to Iquitos, and then we will be hopping on our boat to the rainforest. So we made it through migrations, got the luggage. We flew all through the night. That was miserable. I didn't get any sleep. So I'm ready to get to the hotel and actually get a little bit of sleep.
In the coming days, these videos will serve as a sort of diary, documenting and giving you a first-hand experience of what conservation work is like inside the Amazon rainforest.